In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Bitwarden Chrome extension. By the end, you'll have the Bitwarden Password Manager added to your Chrome browser and ready to help you save and fill secure logins with just a couple of clicks. We'll start by going to the place where Chrome hosts all add-ons, called the Chrome Web Store. This is the official directory for extensions, themes, and apps, and it's the safest way to install trusted tools. Open your browser and head to the Chrome Web Store. When the page loads, you'll see categories, featured items, and a prominent search field. Focus on the search bar near the top of the page. This is where you can quickly find exactly what you need instead of scrolling through lots of listings. Click inside that search box so your cursor is active and you're ready to type. Now, type Bitwarden into the search field and confirm the search. The results will display extensions that match what you typed. You're looking for the official Bitwarden Password Manager. To make sure you've got the right one, check for the familiar Bitwarden Shield logo and confirm that the listing looks official, with strong reviews and a clear description that mentions secure password storage and autofill. Verifying these details helps you avoid lookalike extensions. Click on the Bitwarden result to open its store page. Here you can read a summary, review screenshots, and glance at ratings and recent updates. Taking a moment to review this information is a great habit whenever you add software to your browser. When you're ready, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a small confirmation window describing the permissions the extension needs to work properly, such as the ability to read and change data on the sites where it fills passwords. This prompt is normal for password managers. If everything looks right, approve the installation. Chrome will download the extension and finish the setup automatically. You'll see a brief notification confirming it's been added. Once it's installed, the Bitwarden icon may appear in your toolbar. If you don't see it right away, it's likely tucked inside the puzzle-shaped extensions menu, which is perfectly normal. At this point, you're all set to use Bitwarden through Chrome. If you run into trouble, make sure you're using the Chrome Web Store in Chrome, verify you're online, and check that your browser is up to date. On work or school devices, administrators may restrict installing extensions. That's it. You went to the Chrome Web Store, used the search bar, found Bitwarden, and clicked Add to Chrome. You're ready to go.